Hey guys, I'm Blakemore. I teach travel and sometimes travel, and this is going to be a teach and travel video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. I make a range of teaching and traveling videos, so yeah, that's always appreciated. So it's currently Tuesday, which here in the UAE is halfway through the working week, but you'll probably notice that I'm not actually in school, surrounded by displays and my little mates. Now, it's coming to the end of the UAE national holiday that I've just had, and the UAE national holiday is basically a celebration of when the UAE formed some 48 years ago now. Now, I made a video on that and you can see that up there, and it'd be great for you to go and see that, and I'll talk about more of the UAE National Day and how we celebrated it within that. So, 5-day weekend. I'm coming towards the end of that 5-day weekend, and Tuesday I'm going to talk about what I'm going to be getting up to today. But to start off with, Sunday we got up super duper early in Dubai to do a really long road trip through Dubai, through the Oman border, and going through Oman all the way down to Muscat, the capital city of Oman. Now, that journey was quite long, but it was quite beautiful at the same time. Now, I've not done long road trips through the Arabic country before, and it's really good, but quite long at the same time. So when we got here, we checked into the hotel where I am right now and went on a little bit of a road trip down to the Mutra Corniche, I think that's what it's called. And that was really nice. There was some really nice waterfront that you could go for a nice little walk down. There's a range of different boats that you could see, and you will also see some forts that are surrounding the hillside there. We also had a little bit of a look inside the Mutra Souk and had a little bit of a look in some of the old shops, and they were really cool, selling a range of different Arabic spices and just general tourist gifts and bits and pieces like that. So first day was really quite good. The second day was quite special. We went dolphin watching. Now, sadly we didn't actually see any dolphins, but I'll show you that now. So we've just arrived at the marina here in Muscat, and we're about to go dolphin watching. Hopefully we're going to see some dolphins, although that's not always guaranteed. So let's get started. So we're currently off the coast of Oman in the search for dolphins, but we've not seen any yet. I've just been in the water snorkeling, and as I was about to get out, I've just been stung by a jellyfish. So it was really good in the water though. That experience was really good, and we really did appreciate just being on the boat and just relaxing for the whole day. Now, after that, we also went on a little bit of a road trip to just see a few little bits and pieces, check out some sites around that sort of area, and then we went on a bit of a walk around one of the parks that was Kurum Park, I believe it was. That park was nice and green. It's always nice to see the colour green. Living in the UAE, don't always get the chance to see that, but it was always appreciated. So today is Tuesday. Now, today what we're going to be doing is checking out Sultan Qaboos Mosque, I believe it's called. Now, it's a huge mosque that you see when you drive through Muscat, and I'm quite excited to see it. So let's go and check that out. So word to the wise, now we got here and I didn't bring any long trousers, and Claire didn't have anything to cover her arms. So I've ended up renting for 1.5 Omani Rials, which is the equivalent to 15 dirham or £3, this Kandora, and Claire's a buyer, so it's not too bad, but it's a little bit frustrating knowing that obviously I've got jeans and stuff at home. So the mosque was quite grand, as you'd expect. It was free parking, and it was a really nice walk around. However, it's always frustrating because we had to spend money on the Kandora and a buyer and things like that, but I definitely recommend it. So now it's time for the drive back, and yeah, then it's going to be time for school. Back in school. It's Wednesday and we've only actually got 2 days left of this working week, so that's quite straightforward. Now, Oman was a lovely place, but sadly all good things must come to an end, as they say. It's currently 10 to 7 in the morning, so I'm struggling to even speak, let alone try and do things and function like a normal human being. So today's going to be quite a straightforward day. At the end of the day, they're going to be bringing in their showcase for the Stone Age bits and pieces that they've been doing at home. So this is their opportunity to show me some of their knowledge through things that they've done at home. Some of them created posters and projects, and it's a good opportunity to show you guys what they get up to. It's really good. And yeah, so travel. Travel to me is one of the most important things as a teacher. Now, teachers do get the time. We get some fantastic holiday breaks, and travel doesn't have to be going to a new country, because I know that is expensive every single break. Travel can simply be exploring a new place, or exploring new places within a place that you've already been to. For me, travel is like the big end of a chapter. It's like my chance to reset, be refreshed. So I like to go somewhere new every single holidays, and living in Dubai, that gives you a fantastic opportunity to do that. You've got quite a central location and you've got so many different places that you can go to. Looking back, I think this year I've actually managed to go to 10, 11 countries maybe, and I've been super fortunate to be able to go to all those different places. And when I go to those places, then when I come back, I really do feel energized. So that's one thing I can't stress enough on this channel, is that travel is super important as a teacher, because it gives you that really solid break. I like to leave my laptop at school or at my home address and then go somewhere, so that I'm not tempted to do work and bits and pieces whilst I'm away. So it's the end of the day, and the day has gone really quickly. I swear these days are going quicker and quicker every single day. So the children had a really good time. They got to go and see a Key Stage 1 Christmas concert halfway through the day, and that was really fun for them. At the end of the day, they got to share their home projects. So what I wanted to do is share with you guys some of the projects that they got up to at home. They're amazing. So you can see already our display just got a little bit more Christmassy. So one of the things they did at home was create these really good Christmas project type things, and they brought them all in and got to share them with the parents. So I asked the parents as they came in to come and have a look at all the different children's projects, to ask certain key questions. The reason I got the parents to question the children is because it made them really think about what they did, why they did it, and what they'd do next time. So that's sort of evaluative process. Is evaluative a word? I don't really know. So I want to show you some projects and then tell you what we also did after that. Minding my glasses. Here's some of the projects. So you've got a Lego Stonehenge, really cool looking cave model. It's got some paintings on here and really cool. Then we've got another little cave home for these little cave people, cute little cave people. And it wasn't just structures though. Children also made some writing pieces. So this is a story of Maya the mammoth, and it's really well done. I can't show you too much though, because there's actual photos of children. So here you've got a little area here with some paintings, and you've also got a little cool area over here with how cavemen brushed their teeth. So that's also really cool. As you can see, it's been a really good day, and yeah, time for the last day of the working week tomorrow, which is crazy. 2-day working week, it should be a thing. So it's the final day of the working week already, and that means it's the weekend tomorrow. So I think, yeah, 2-day weekends should definitely be a thing going forwards. I feel really tired today though, for some reason, so we need to just get started. End of the day now, and there is only 5 days left until the Christmas break. Not that I'm counting down or anything, but yeah, Christmas decorations are going up, and it's a nice little reminder that Christmas is coming around the corner, and that means I'm going to be going back home to the UK. So one thing I did want to show you is something that we got up to today. We've created settlement boxes, and what I mean by that is, there's a word for it. I can't think of the word. But basically they've used a shoebox to make a setting, and they've sort of created these Bedouin tent camps. I'll show you them now. There are a few examples of what they've made today. Some cool ones. Coloured in the background, they've made this out of like a sandy paste type thing. There's another example there. They're really good. A little bit messy, but they really did work hard on them. So it is the weekend, So 2-day week is fantastic. But the one thing I wanted to stress with this video is the importance of travel. For me, travel is way up there in terms of priorities in my life. Now, I always try and recommend travel to every single one of you out there. There are so many benefits of traveling and getting to see the world. I truly believe that I learn the most when I travel. At the same time, you will never get the time back. The one thing I don't want to do is regret not traveling enough when I was this age, when I'm older, because yeah, you don't get that time back. So on that note, if you've enjoyed the video, feel free to like it. If you're new to the channel, then a massive welcome. I make a range of teaching and traveling content, so you can hit the subscribe button down in the corner, and I really appreciate that. Anyway guys, so it's the weekend, so I'm gonna go and enjoy that now, but for now, I am out.